All right, it's a bright, beautiful morning for day 16. I'm gonna go try to finish that bridge project. I came back yesterday evening and replaced the cross members that were missing. I'm hoping that we're gonna be able to get the spud bar underneath those cross members and be able to lift the whole bridge up. If we can, today's work will be pretty easy. I did notice yesterday when I was back here that this cedar, and you saw me cut a little bit of that up yesterday, that cedar is one of the main problems here. The limbs are catching all the junk that comes down there. I'm not able to budge it, at least not from this end. To do anything at that end, number one, it's underwater. Number two, as you can kind of see, it's under the bank. So I don't know if there's any way to get that out. I may have to bring a chainsaw back and just stand in the water. Well, good morning, Abby. But first things first, let's get the spud bar underneath this and see if we can straighten the bridge. Okay, we're making progress. We're up off those roots on the more stable ground. I'm gonna go onto that other end now, see if I can get a 2x4 under there. Get it lifted up to where it needs to be. Okay, that only halfway works. It's not very stable. I'm gonna pull it out and put some better boards underneath. Okay, that's a lot more stable. Pretty much up off the creek now and a little bit safer. So the last thing I want to do is bring some rocks here just to put around this, protect it a little bit. And then we're going to try to get that tree out. If we can get that out, we'll be done. Abby. All right, I got the upper end gone. This lower end is actually moving. I think I can pull it out, but I can't do it from upstream. There's just no way to get a hold of it. So my feet already being wet, I think I'm just gonna wait out here real quick, grab a hold of it, go home and warm up, and the bridge job will be done. Okay, I'm a little cold now and ready to go home. It was worth it though, because we got a bridge again. Very happy about that. Very happy to have this project done. It's nice to have a bridge again that we can use. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.